Top 5 Best Intraday Liquidated Stock. Number 1. Tata Steels. Tata Steels shares are among the best liquidated stocks because of their strong market presence and high liquidity. Its leading position in the steel industry and consistent financial performance, Tata Steel offers investors stability and ease of trading, making its shares attractive and easy to buy or sell. Number 2. State Bank of India. This public sector bank is a significant player in the Indian financial landscape, known for its extensive range of products and services. It has high liquidity and robust financial metrics, making it a popular choice for investors. Number 3. Bajaj Finance Limited. As a leading non-banking financial company, NBFC, Bajaj Finance has shown impressive revenue growth and profitability, with strong liquidity, making it a top pick for trading. Number 4. Axis Bank Liquidity. This major private sector bank in India provides a variety of corporate and retail banking products, known for its strong revenue growth and liquidity. Number 5. Oil and Natural Gas Corporation, ONGC. This public sector enterprise is a leader in crude oil and natural gas production in India. ONGC's significant contribution to India's energy sector ensures its position as a highly liquid stock.